Today, I am going to show you how to use the Modify pop-down menu in Final Cut Pro X. First, we move on to the Balance Color option. When you use the color balancing feature, Final Cut Pro samples the darkest and lightest areas of the image's Luma channel and adjusts the shadows and highlights to the image to neutralize any color casts. Also, this is in the Enhancements pop-up menu toolbar. The next option is the Match Color option. Match Color will match a clip's color with any other clip's color so that they can also look the same. Best used in clips that take place in the same location. You can also find this option in the Enhancement pop-up menu in the toolbar. Okay, the next option on the Modify menu would be Change Duration. This is once again a very simple step. You can select the clip and then go to change the duration in the Modify drop-down menu, or you can simply press Ctrl D. The timecode entry field appears in the dashboard. Then you will manually enter the new desired amount of time for the clip and press enter, and it will manually change it. Now, the important to know is that this is per clip. If you have a separate audio clip from the video, it's only going to change whichever one you have selected. Okay, if they're the same time and you have them both selected, it will make them both go down to the same amount or up to the same amount. Next option would be the Retime option. This is an option that I use quite often, actually. In the timeline, select a range, a whole clip, or a group of clips whose speed you wish to change. Then you'll do one of the following. To apply a preset speed setting, choose slow or fast from the Retime pop-up menu in the toolbar and choose a speed from the sub menu. To apply a manual speed setting, you need to choose Show Retime Editor from the Retime pop-up menu, or you can press Command R to display the Retime Editor above the selection in the timeline and drag the retiming handle. If you drag the retiming handle to the right, the speed of the selection decreases, the duration of the selection increases, and the bar above the timeline selection turns orange. If you drag the retiming handle to the left, the speed of the selection increases, the duration of the selection decreases, and the bar above the timeline selection turns blue. Now, to apply a custom speed setting. This is very important. Choose Custom from the Retime pop-up menu, and in the custom speed window that opens, select a direction, whether it's forward or reverse, and enter a rate or duration. The Auto Enhance Audio option allows you to adjust stuff like loudness, which improves the main audio signal and makes it more uniform. There's also an option for background noise removal, which reduces background noise, and a hum removal option, which reduces common electrical hum noise at either 50 or 60 Hz. You can analyze audio and adjust loudness, background noise, and hum using the Audio Enhancements Inspector. You can also analyze and fix audio problems when you import a clip. The next option is the Match Audio option, which is also in the Modify menu. You can select the clip or clips that you wish to change within the timeline. Then you do one of the following. You either choose Modify and just say Match Audio, or you can choose Match from the Equalization pop-up menu that's in the Audio Enhancements section of the Audio Inspector, or the easiest thing to do would choose Match Audio from the Enhancements pop-up menu in the toolbar, which is a great little tool that we've used already a couple times. Then you'll click to select the clip whose sound you wish to match, and then click Apply Match. The next option is the Adjust Volume from the Modify menu or the keyboard. You select one or more audio clips or video clips with audio in the timeline, and then you do one of the following. To adjust the volume in +1 or -1 decibel increments, choose Modify, Adjust Volume, and either choose up or down, or press Ctrl= or Ctrl-. To adjust the volume using an absolute decibel value, choose Modify, Adjust Volume, Absolute. The dashboard display changes to show absolute decibels. Type a positive or a negative value to change the absolute volume. The volume across the entire selection is set to 1 dB level, and any keyframe adjustments are deleted. That is important to realize. Then, to adjust the volume using a relative dB value, you go to Choose Modify, Adjust Volume, and then pick Relative. The dashboard display will change to show relative dB. Then, just like with the other one, you will type a positive or a negative value to change the relative volume. The volume is adjusted by the same amount throughout the selection, preserving any phase or any other keyframe adjustments. To silence the selected clip or range to 0 dB, choose Modify, Adjust Volume, and then Silence. The selection is then silenced, and the volume control for the clip or range is set to -infinity dB. Now, to restore the original audio level for the selected clip or range, you need to choose Modify, Adjust Volume, and go to Reset. Then, the volume of the selection is reset to 0 dB. Now, it's important to remember if multiple clips are selected, the volume is adjusted for all clips. So whether that's what you want to do or not want to do, make sure you're paying attention to that. So that is the basic breakdown of the Modify drop-down menu. There are a few more options. You can obviously see them when we drop down the Modify menu, but these tend to be the most used and the most important things, especially retiming, balancing color, all of that stuff. There are a few more options. You can get into it more, and that's for another day, another episode. But for right now, we're going to keep it shorter. We're going to keep you in the know, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.